vibe thing.
Alright, what we got in here? What you got there you're playing with?
It's a helicopter.
That's your helicopter?
Teddy chewed my vibe thing.
Oh, did he chew up the helicopter basket?
Yeah.
Did it have a basket and Teddy chewed it up?
Yeah, let's buy a new one.
Okay. So, we got your helicopter. Show me how it works. Does it have a button you push? It's got a little button you push on the side and the helicopter blades they spin. What else you got? What's right behind you?
What?
What is that right behind you? Is that your police car? Whoa!
There was a baby in a basket.
Was there a baby in the basket?
Yeah, and I threw the baby away.
Oh, why would you do that?
No.
You didn't do that?
No.
That's good.
It was on top of... They grabbed him.
Yeah?
They fell out of the trash.
Did it?
Teddy chewed the blades.
Okay.
Teddy chewed the blades a little bit.
Oh, he chewed up the blades a little bit?
It's that and that.
It's okay.
We don't have to buy a new one of these.
No. What else you got? You got a police car
We
there?
need buy more one of these.
Okay, yeah, a police car, a fire truck, and an ambulance. Oh, wow. You got your ambulance. Nice. What kind of noises does the siren make? Whoa. What about the police car? What kind of noise does this siren make? Nice. Oh, you got your fire truck. That's crazy, isn't it?
That was a loud noise.
It was a loud noise. How many you got? Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Start again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Where are you getting 5 at?
It was like
That counts for 2 of them.
the light was on.
Whoa, the light does turn on down there. It's a
Where's
spotlight.
Mommy?
She's out in the living room. Okay. Was that a ramp for your cars? Whoa.
I want to bring the cars out here. I want to drive this awesome driving when the rabbit drives it off the ramp.
You want to do a ramp? Whoa, it ran pretty good, didn't it? Good job.
It's not working.
It's not working? It looked like it worked pretty well.
Let's back up.
Okay. Alright, cool, man.
Let's bring the bucket right here.
Okay.
I want the bucket right in that
Alright,
box.
I'll put the bucket right there?
Yeah.
Okay. You gotta get out some cars to ramp them?
This,
What is that? Is that a food van that you got out?
that too.
You got 2 food vans? Oh, yeah, 2 of those little Fiat cars. Nice.
This one's awesome and this is awesome.
They both awesome?
Yeah.
Nice.
I got these too.
Yeah, you do. How well do they ramp?
This one.
Whoa. The food truck ramped really good. Was there anybody inside?
No. Yeah.
No? Oh, there was?
No.
Oh, good.
This,
They would have got dizzy.
is this a toy?
Oh, it's just a toy.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
This one has a man in it.
Huh?
You see that man right there?
Yeah. I see it. Is it a toy?
Yeah.
Or is it a real guy?
There's a guy in there. I'm driving it by my own. That guy doesn't walk inside it and drive not steering wheel.
Gotcha.
Ooh.
Whoa. Hey, I think he's got to get gas. Yeah, fill out the gas. Alright, all full. Whoa. You're flying.
Did it?
Yeah, man.
The gas went down.
Oh, the gas ran out?
The gas broke down.
Oh, it broke down.
Here is the new gas.
It's all full. Whoa.
The gas is fixed now.
It's fixed?
Yeah.
I'm glad. Yeah, fill up.
Yeah.
Okay, get some gas. Alright, all full. Go! Whoa. All full. Whoa. Oh man, that went flying, didn't it?
Did it?
Yeah.
It's a clean car.
The McQueen car.
Yeah.
Awful. Go. Whoa, flying again.
What is that right there? What is that blocking right there?
I don't know.
What is it?
I think it's a tire sitting on the outside of the gas station.
Oh, the tire.
That's what I would say.
Sitting on the gas station. Oh.
All right, Bubs, say thank you for watching my video.
More.
One more?
So many.
So many more. We're going to run out of space on the card.
Are they?
Yeah. Okay, get gas. Ramp it. Whoa. All right, say bye.
Bye.
Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.